This bathroom is under construction, and I am going to retile the floor because this floor, it just looks bad. There was a water leak there, so there's a stain, and it's just old and it needs to be changed. But there's nothing wrong with the shower unit, so I'm just going to leave that as is. And the toilet's good, so we'll leave that as is. We're just going to replace this cabinet with the white cabinet that I have been painting. Okay, right now I am applying a primer to the floor. We have replaced the wood that was sort of water damaged with some new wood, and to prepare the floor, made sure it's cleaned, it's been swept, it's been vacuumed several times to take up any dust. And I've sealed all of the seams around the perimeter of the room, and I've put duct tape around the ring of the toilet. There's foam around the pipes, and the vent is also covered. I'll show you that in a minute. And so this is the primer. We just pour it on, and then we spread it out with a roller here, just giving it a nice even covering over the entire floor. This is going to help prime the wood so that it will stick to the backer, the liquid backer that I'm going to put on. And the purpose for the backer, actually, instead of backer board, I'm using liquid backer. And what it's going to do, it's a self-leveling. So if there's any imperfections in the floor, it's going to help even out the floor and give it a good surface for tiling, because that is the goal here. The entire floor has been primed, and you can see my vent. I made sort of a little box to fit inside of it. Made the bottom edges a little bit thicker so that they would overlap the hole, because when I put my liquid backer board, I don't want it to flow inside the vent. I don't want it to go inside of the toilet drain. So there's tape around the base of that. There's a towel stuffed in it because you don't want to drop anything in it. I just don't like the idea of having a big gaping hole. I think I don't know, somehow a snake came crawling up. And it's sealed all the way around. The only thing in here is a tub, but the toilet is currently sitting in the tub. And I need to wait 2 to 5 hours for this to dry, and then I'll be ready to mix and pour this self-leveling backer board, which I think is going to be so much easier than putting down the backer board that you buy in sheets and screw it down. Plus, this is going to help just level the floor very nicely. So it's just a waiting time. Okay, the self-leveling backer board has been applied, and now we just need to let it sit for 6 hours or more, which is going to be, it could be even up to 24 hours. But about 6 hours it should be hard and firm, and we'll have a nice surface ready for tiling, and it will be very smooth with no imperfections. So I'm liking the way it looks. We will just wait till tomorrow and we can begin tiling.